Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, let's talk about how to connect your bank account to Wave. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time, so let's just jump straight into it. Now, from your Wave dashboard, what you're going to do is to go to banking in the left hand menu. Of course, it goes without saying you're going to first need to log into Wave, and with your credentials, once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, go to banking and you find that in the left hand menu. But once you're in banking, you're going to click bank connections, and then you're going to choose connect a bank account. Next, you're going to search for your bank using the search bar, and once you find it, enter your online banking credentials. Now, Wave will securely connect to your bank and start importing your transactions. You can select which accounts, whether it's checking, credit card accounts, or savings. You can just select which accounts you want to connect. And after connecting, Wave will begin pulling in recent transactions which you can review and categorize easily. With your bank accounts connected, you can save hours on manual data entry. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one.